Today we're doing a video on this pretty awesome drone. It looks like a spaceship. It has the name right there. We're going to show you how to fit the battery in. So it has a plug-in that plugs into this, and I plugged it right in my computer and charged all of these. It just snaps right in, but we'll show you how it snaps right in here. It gets you ready. It has a camera, which is pretty awesome. We're pretty excited to fly this. You just stick that right in there, and you're going to do the same with there's another piece that comes with it, and I'll show you in the pictures that you stick it in to charge it. It plugs right into your computer. It's pretty awesome. You just tuck the battery right in there like that, pop the lid down, and then here I'll hand you this and you can show them that. This is your controller.
On.
Turn it on. There's your on button. And it does all kinds of stuff. Here's your controller. What does it have, Rex? There's the on and off button. It lights right up. And we're going to put you on hold and get it all set to fly it for the first time. We've never flew on one of these before.
This is for your phone.
The what?
This is for your cell phone.
This is for your cell phone.
Actually, I don't have it on me. It's not hooked up yet, but
this is for your cell phone where we haven't hooked it up yet. We're just going to practice flying it first. That's how it fits on there. That's pretty cool. That'll be great because we're going to use this down at the ocean. I wanted to do a video down at the ocean, but the wind was just too high and I'm afraid that it would be in the ocean. Snaps right down, just tightens onto your cell phone. Okay, so we're going to set it like this, and this is going to be our first test drive. We haven't used it before. We had too much wind at home, so I had to bring it inland. And there it goes. Come back over here. That's totally awesome. We're going to put you on hold and bring the kids out here because they're waiting very patiently. Uh-oh, where to go? All the grandkids are getting ready for it to fly. Taryn, come over here out of the road, please. We're going to get ready for it to fly.
Emma.
I got her. Okay, we're ready. We're going up again. We have to bring the kids out. And here we go. Awesome. Oops. Crash landing. Did it crash?
Yeah.
We gotta learn how to do it a little better, huh? Oh, and the good thing is when it crashes, it doesn't break. You probably want to know your first couple times do it in grass. And we lost the propeller, but that's okay because it comes with extras. And until you learn how to fly it, don't put your cell phone on it. Yeah, I put your cell phone on that, but you don't want to fly it without you don't want to put your cell phone on it until you learn how to fly it.
Yeah.
Where is it? And I'm trying to chase it around and I can't find it. Yep. Okay, so this comes with 2 batteries. They look like this. And you just bring them over here. And it connects right into the computer. And it comes with extra of the propellers, which we need. I'm going to have to order another bag because we lost a couple of them. But it was totally awesome and we loved it. We had a great time. It comes with great instructions. Lots of instructions. And you have to have 4 AAA batteries. Thank you very much.
So here I am taking off over my land. There's some power lines I had to go up past. That was easy. I'm parked on the side of the road and there are tall trees everywhere. But basically the drone is easy to control once you get the hang of it. There was no noticeable wind where I was standing on the ground, but once you get it up in the air, you might notice a little drift. On this day it wasn't bad, so it was easy to control. The camera is fixed and I am flying visually by looking at the drone and trying to maneuver it and get the shots around my property that I want. And as you can see, I live in the mountains. And the first couple of flights out here, I probably on 2 different occasions came out and flew up. Got it to the tree level, slightly higher. Did some panoramic views, very nice. I don't know if it's my lack of my experience or just the nature of the drone, but as you can see, it's a little bumpy. I think it's a combination of my skills or lack of skills and possibly the lightweight drone and the breeze. But the video overall is pretty good. I definitely have some tall pine trees that are not very healthy that are going to have to come down. These trees do tower over the rest of them. Yeah, I slowed this clip down a little bit. So as you can see, the video works. You do have to download the app, and if you have an Android, which is what I have, you want to go to your settings and your Wi-Fi and connect the drone to your Android, just like you would connect to any Wi-Fi hotspot or something. You want to connect it. Once you do that, then you start the app and you should be able to pick up the video. You want to do this before you take off, though. You do this on the ground. Other than that, you power up the drone. You turn a switch on, and then you can turn your control switch on. Control base takes a couple of batteries, of AA's, and the drone has a little battery pack. It lasts about 5 minutes from full charge. I bought some extra batteries. They weren't very expensive, and an extra battery charger. It was like 4 batteries and a charger, so you can, USB charge these things. And so you have plenty of batteries if you want to go out someday and spend several hours out flying and shooting videos. I enjoyed the drone. At some point, about a week later, I came back out, actually yesterday, Sunday, and I went straight up with the drone, and maybe I wasn't paying attention or something, but it just seemed to just get too high real quick, and then it started drifting south, and I couldn't pull it back. And I think that was me. I was just a little careless with it, and it's got out here somewhere. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.